What's up, YouTube? On this week's episode of Monday Meals with Mike, we are going to make a protein-packed zucchini chicken tomato casserole that I'm telling you it is one of my absolute favorite dinners to make. So I'm going to walk you through the whole thing right now. Okay, so to make this 4-ingredient casserole, you're only going to need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 4 raw zucchinis, 2 tomatoes, and a cheese of your choice. For this one, we're just going to use mozzarella. So we're going to jump right in and show you how to prep that. Okay, so the first thing you see here, we're going to start right with our 2 chicken halves, okay? I separate all my chicken and freeze it. I hope you guys do the same. Let it unthaw overnight before you do this. And all we're going to do right now is go through and cut all the fat off and all these little pieces. You don't want those. Okay, so once your chicken's all trimmed of its fat, you're going to go ahead and you're going to fillet them directly in half, right down the middle, to give yourself 2 half chickens. It's nice and easy. There's 1, there's 2. Never cut towards your fingers. And once you get the half cut, just take it on this end, zip it. Now you have 4 halves ready to go, and we are going to go ahead and get those right on the stove. Get your frying pan ready, set it up over to low to medium heat, and we're going to put a little bit of olive oil right in the bottom of the pan. Swirl it to coat it, and we're going to put all 4 of those filleted chicken breasts right in on top, and we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Alright, so you can hear the chicken still cooking behind me. Right now we're going to do the zucchinis and the tomatoes and get them ready. So you're going to slice the zucchinis in half to make like a half boat, and then you're just going to cut them into slices. Alright, it's kind of hard to hear me over this, but right now we're just going to turn the chicken. That's perfect. You want it a little brown on the bottom. And we will flip them again to get that raw side out. Okay, so the chicken, you're just doing enough to cook and get all the rawness out of the outside. Then you're going to set it separately into a baking dish. And in that same pan, you're going to take the zucchini that you just cut up, and you're going to throw it into that pan. So same thing, just a little bit of oil on the top, salt and pepper, and I throw some basil leaves in just to give it a little flavoring. So again, and we're going to continuously stir that till they start to brown up, and we're going to cut up and dice up our tomatoes and throw them right in on top of this. So while those are cooking and the chicken's done, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and get everything ready to go, because once they're all starting to brown and cook, we have to bake them all together for 20 minutes. Okay, the oven's preheated to 350. We're going to throw it in. I'll see you in 20 minutes to tell you how to finish it off. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. We just pulled it out of the oven. I got 4 servings of mozzarella cheese here. You're just going to go ahead, spread that right over top of everything nice and evenly. You're going to throw it back in for 5 more minutes and dinner is served. Okay, that completes this week's episode of Monday Meals with Mike. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We try to post as often as I can. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post my home workouts daily. I will leave my handle right here. If you have any ideas, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to make that for you, let you know how that goes. So till then, stay fit, stay focused. We'll catch you on the next one.